Come on, Chanel.
Mom,
I can't.
why?
And I got Chanel and Trevor with me.
Hi, Grandma.
So guys, we're starting our Vlogmas. I can't see you. Guys, I got my mom right here. Boom. I got Chanel. I got Grump, Mr. McDonald's himself.
I ain't Grump. I ain't no Smith
Tell me what, Ma?
You the Grump.
No, Ma. Yep. So, and we got to be heading out of Target. And I thought I was gonna find my baby some leggings, but it's like the thick ones. Oh, Ma, let me hold up, y'all. I gotta grab my candle real quick. Like I can't go nowhere without that. Come on, Chanel. Right here. Come on, let's grab Mama candle.
Are you still recording?
Yeah, of course. Come here, Chanel. White Miracle. Yeah, I don't like that nightgown.
I'll
So,
put it back after we get back.
yeah, let me see. You need a 2X large too. Put that one back. We're gonna look at the other size. So, oh, Trevor, I'm right here, Trevor. Oh. So I got this. Can't leave without this. And so now guys, I'm going into the candy section. Oh yeah, boo boo. Rudolph. Mother. So let me see what my child picking up, y'all. Oh, Chanel, you need another elf too. I'm gonna have to order you on elf Amazon. Dang, they want $32.
Mama,
They tripping. Hold up.
we already have that.
Yeah, but your elf don't look the same neither.
Come here.
We need a new one.
Mom,
What?
come on. And look, they have your favorite candy.
Let's see. A real shirt?
You want to get
Oh
one?
my gosh, guys. Look at this.
You want to get one?
The giant one. No, I don't want this. They got this one. The ornament one. Oh,
And the normal one.
Sam. Oh, we're going to be doing all two Sam.
No,
Let me see. Where do you get your peppermint from?
the small one.
Okay. Let me grab my card. Chanel, did you see the candy cane peeps? I wonder what
Yeah.
these taste like.
I do not like them.
Why not? I ain't got all the rest of them. You see the sour,
Yeah.
yeah. They got these at Big Lots, but I ain't gonna get them from there. Yeah, look what I found.
Oh, they have Oreo candy canes.
You wanna try the Sour Patch one?
No.
Why not?
But look, they have Oreo.
I don't know why they $3 in here, but stamp them. I was looking for these too.
Are you okay?
We still got my mother. It's Chanel.
I already have. That's what you want to try. I already have.
Got my mom. Chanel, let's use grandma card. Because we don't need to.
Some bass?
No, we keep our own. Come on. We'll use grandma's.
Oh, where did I put that?
You got them at the
Let's leave it right there.
The cheap go to Yuko store and get their pajama for $8.
Mom, this is the one I got Chanel. These are not high. These ain't but $15. So I think I'm about to grab me one.
Minnie Mouse. What is this? Minnie Mouse?
No, Mickey.
Yep, and Trevor's getting him PJs. Trevor, how much your pajamas is? You better look at the price.
Where the pajama at?
And my son acting like he broke, can't get him no pajamas.
That color.
Those are the nightgowns, ma. But when I pay Chanel, I pay regular price.
Them in the pajamas.
Yeah, the PJs are down this way. This is the one Chanel has right here with the Christmas trees on it. Say, excuse me, Mom.
Excuse us.
So, boom. Chanel, I need to find the same one you got so we can do a video in it. So, but my son claimed he ain't got no money. He playing.
What was it mean?
Get this, some extra large.
Yeah.
These are the PJs. Chanel, you gonna have to have some for pajama day at school.
Extra large.
I know that.
You want this one?
You want probably large.
What is it?
For pajama day at
Yeah,
school.
yeah. But Mom, we already have pajama day.
Y'all having another one where y'all watching movies and stuff.
Oh, that we get no jacket.
But we already. Oh.
It's gonna be another one. You don't have to get that kind though. You might not want to do the Christmas one because it's gonna be around your birthday. You wanna go online and look for you another one.
Yeah.
So we see all the pajamas. We got Chanel. We got my mom.
Trevor?
Trevor, you right. I need an extra large.
What size that is? A 2X large?
No, I got an extra large.
A 2X large?
That's a 2X.
Yeah. Let me see. Open the pants up, Mom. I wear extra large, so that what size you going to?
See, this an extra large.
We got Miracle. Chanel. Now turn the camera on me.
How?
Just turn it around like
This
this.
way?
No, like this. So. Yeah, turn it around.
This color right here, though.
So guys, turn it the long way so I can let them see me. Say I like it.
Yeah, but see, I want this color.
Hi. Keep it running. So this is our Vlogmas today. Get my whole body. Back up some. Yeah, guys, look.
Stop.
I'm acting like I'm all that. So. Mom, let me put out this hot jacket.
Let's see how big this thing is.
I hope
My mom looking at her some PJs. You gotta hold it this way like this. And put your hands over the camera part like this. I got it.
You said a 3/8. That too big.
Kaboo.
That too big, ain't it?
That's a 3X.
That's an extra large.
Let me see. Open it up, Mom.
A 3/8 large.
You might need a 2X. They ain't gonna be too big.
You sure?
When you put it on, no, it's not. It shouldn't be too big for your thighs. It's not, because that's what size you want your shirts, Mom. That one got the drawstrings on it.
This one say an extra.
That's the size you're gonna need, Mother. I'm probably gonna need a 1X large on my pajama shirt. And I don't see any. And this wig is so hard.
Mama,
What miracle?
what's this?
Wrapping paper. Gift wrapping paper.
Don't we already have some at home?
Yep. How did it skip the 1X large, Mom? You don't see the 1X?
This is an extra large right here.
XXX large?
Let me see. Hold it out. You can't wear the X large in the shirt, though.
Mama.
On the shirt.
You sure?
Don't we already have wrapping paper at home?
Yes. Come on, Miracle. Hold up, Mom. Let me look in the mirror real quick like it myself. Got to find a mirror, y'all.
Mama, here, I'll hold this for Mama.
No. Hold on. I want to use my other one. So, guys, this is me. Miracle. Hit me with the ooh. Big like I'm on. Hello, so guys, we're about to be finishing our video. My son looking at the candles. Let's go, y'all. Boom.
And then we're gonna go.
We're YouTubing.
Oh, there's stuff in the wall actually work.
No.
So we're getting out of here.
Yeah.
For YouTubing.
Probably that wall thing work actually for real.
I got some trouble.
Wait, do you want to show them your foundation?
These work for real?
Ma, why'd you put that in there? You don't
Put it in
need
my car.
that.
So let's get ready to go Chanel, go to
Mom, you
Starbucks.
don't need that.
Yes, I do. Leave my stuff alone.
Gee.
So we'll be getting out of here. We finishing up? All right, guys, we finishing up our vlog. Mom, you sure you didn't want me to get that?
Cookie.
He's gonna bring your cookie to you.
Okay.
Boom. What you got? Taste it.
You want me to go ahead and taste it?
Taste it, yeah. So we finishing.
I can't put my mask on here.